In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use soft carriage returns in Microsoft Word for seamless formatting. Picture this: you're busy crafting a perfectly structured document when suddenly you need to add something in the middle of a paragraph without creating a separate one. This is where soft carriage returns come to the rescue. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your paragraphs look clean and professional without those frustrating gaps. First, let's navigate to your Microsoft Word file. It's important that your document is open and ready to be edited. Whether it's a report, a letter, or any other type of document, the principle remains the same. You want to ensure your text flows nicely and remains visually appealing as you work. Now imagine you've completed a line and you wish to start a new line without creating extra space typically associated with starting a new paragraph. This is a great technique to use for citations, taglines, or simply formatting an address. Instead of hitting the Enter key, which breaks your text into separate paragraphs, you'll use a handy shortcut. Simply press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, then tap the Enter key. This combination creates a soft carriage return, moving your cursor to the next line without the added space of a new paragraph. This technique is especially useful in making your documents look polished and reader-friendly. It keeps elements like bulleted lists, contact information, or multi-line quotes aligned without unnecessary breaks. Plus, it can help maintain a consistent style in your document, which is advantageous when you're compiling extensive texts or preparing documents for print or digital sharing. Let's recap. Open your Microsoft Word file and use the Shift and Enter keys together to create a soft carriage return. Remember, this small but powerful trick can significantly enhance the appearance of your document. It's perfect for when you want to create a new line without disrupting the text's flow by starting a new paragraph. And there you have it. You're now equipped with a simple yet effective tool to give your Word documents a professional touch. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future projects. Feel free to explore and practice this method in various documents. It's a game changer for anyone striving for clear and precise formatting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy formatting!